Hey guys, what's going on? Do you have a Shark Island robot and have this issue? Or this issue? And you need to replace the wheel housing? These are all broke. This is the most common thing I deal with. Constantly getting broken wheels. This one fried. I don't know how they fried that one. But here's how to replace it, guys. Let's go ahead and flip this one over. This is a 725. Go ahead, turn your robot off, flip the power switch, take the battery out if you don't feel safe. Make sure to do these repairs at your own risk. So this is a 850, this is a 725, exact same parts. Just so you know. Actually, let me grab a 850 that has these parts. All right, 850. No, wait, no, that's 725. So I have these two I need a gut for parts. So these wheels are good, but if they were bad, obviously I'd be replacing them. So you're gonna need one of these bad boys right here. This is I can't remember what size. It's like a, give me 1 second. Yep, T10. Couldn't remember if it was T10 or T15. All right, so T10. I'm gonna start with removing the Torx screws. So you're gonna need a T10 Torx bit with a shallow, well, not shallow, but a deep, thin head. You're gonna remove the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 screws. You're gonna carefully pull it out and pull a little connector off, and there you have it. Boom. I do sell these parts, guys, so if you need them, go ahead and check the link below. I do usually carry the left in stock. The right kind of goes out of stock pretty quick on me, so just message me if I don't have it listed, and I might have one available. Just depends. And we're gonna do the same process for the right and left. Now, if it doesn't seem like it wants to come out, just wiggle it a little bit, it'll come out. This one's got some play in the gear, but otherwise functions fine. A little bit of play in that one. That one's not bad. So, move the camera for y'all. Now, as always, guys, if you have any questions, please comment below. I like answering questions, being able to help y'all out. Plus, it gives me something to do in my spare time. So, literally, you order the part. I sell the wheels on my eBay store. Price really depends on demand at the time and whether or not I have them in stock. If it's my last ones, they're a little bit more expensive because I try to keep them in stock for repairs that come in from customers that buy actual robots from me. But if not, they go pretty well. Your best deal is definitely to buy the right and left as a combo set from me. I'll definitely hook you up on that one. Definitely save a few dollars. And shipping's combined, so that definitely helps out a lot. People are just blowing my phone up tonight when I'm trying to make a video. Always seems to happen. So there we go, guys. Literally a couple minutes, 4 wheels out, we're good to go. And then reinstall, you're just gonna line it up to what side it is. You're gonna clip it in, shimmy it down. Just be careful. So, gonna line it up. shimmy it down, put the bolts in, and you're good to go. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, comment below. Check the description for some links to different products I use and my eBay store. And if you have any requests for videos, try to pick something I haven't done already. Make sure you look at my channel. All right, later on.